An initiative of Genesis Pathways to Success, a summer of STREAM utilized educational camps to teach students from all over Ripley County key STREAM concepts and soft skills, such as hands-on learning, problem solving, and teamwork. Led by 913 Sports, 16 students were taught about the history of bicycles, in-depth mechanics, geometry skills, repairs, and road safety in a mobile bike lab, all leading them to building their very own bicycle. A total of 22 students were taught rudimentary cooking and baking skills, cooking history, scientific elements, and hands-on learning opportunities to cook and eat numerous foods, including the Hasmar House famous mac and cheese. The Portable Planetarium, led by the Boone Schaft Museum of Discovery, provided 6 sessions teaching about current constellations in the sky, the rotation of the Earth, and the location of stars and moons. A total of 32 students learned about coding, creative design, and engineering concepts in order to construct a team robot able to compete in friendly competition. Over 250 individuals attended the Newport Aquarium's Wave Foundation mobile aquatic exhibits, where they learned about cat coral sharks and yellow stingrays. Camp Hogwarts impacted a total of 40 students who share a fascination for Harry Potter, a series of 7 fictional novels written by J.K. Rowling. At camp, students participated in numerous magical courses related to STREAM, team-building relay races, and the game of Quidditch. Without the help from our generous volunteers and sponsors, Genesis would not have been able to make an impact on 460 attendees. In 2023, we hope to make an impact on many more.